Hello, welcome to Cicada Time with Emily and Beets. First off, we want to prepare our cicadas so they taste as little like cicadas as possible. So you're going to want to put in a lot of hot sauce. So much so that it drips and is bright red. Then you want to get your delicious sesame seeds, which will taste delicious all over the hot sauce. Then you want to get your vanilla. That's a lot of vanilla. Then you want to get your basil. If you chew it up first, it really brings out the flavor. Then you want to get your actual beet, and you want to smush it like a lot with this teacup. Oh, and then you take the smushed beet and you put it all over your cicada, which will taste really good. Here you go, beets. Not sure if that's cannibalism or not. And then it's all ready to eat, and it looks super delicious. And you sort of squish it up in your cupcake wrapper. And yum! And then that's how you prepare a cicada. So good. So good. Beets. Oh man, so